A lot of people talk about this, but they never explain to you how to create sub-agents. Now, sub-agents are separate from the main conversation, and they don't have like memory, and they don't necessarily have skills unless you give them skills. The amazing thing about them is that they can be specialists. Now, if this sounds a bit complicated, please don't worry. I'm just going to show you right now how I create a sub-agent right now in front of your eyes. And the familiarity, once you see it, you'll get the confidence to create your own agents. So to prove to you that I don't have any agents here, I'm going to click on agents here. And you can see I only have a main agent over here. And that's why it's not good, because if you only have one agent, then he has to contain everything, like all the memory, all the issues. He has to do everything. He never can like give someone else a task to do. And that takes up a lot of brain space. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to create a new agent, and we're going to tell the way to create an agent in OpenClaw, like a sub agent, is to say, hey, create me a new agent called Bobby. All he can do is translate content to Chinese when he is given content. Just an example. Let's do that right now. And that's how you create an agent. Yes, you heard me right. The way to create an agent on OpenClaw is to literally ask OpenClaw. There's no other way of doing it right now. I'm hoping in the future there'll be a way like a plus button, add agent. But let's see if this actually works and how it works. And we'll test it as well. Let's try and test it also. Okay, fantastic. So he's finished. He created it as an isolated standalone agent with his own workspace. He's strictly a Chinese translation specialist and has his own soul and rules that will keep him focused on translating content for you. Bobby is ready to go. You can reach him by mentioning his name in a group chat or setting up a direct binding for him. So now, if I click on agents, I'm not sure if you can see that. It's right over here in the top right of my screen. You can see now that I have two agents, Main and Bobby. So as you can see, he has skills as well. And you can choose what skills he has, meaning you can undo some skills, or you can give him skills. You can kind of choose what you want. So you just learned how to create a sub-agent within OpenClaw, and they can talk to each other. Hey, write a story and send it to Bobby. So now we're going to actually test this out and see how it looks in practice when you ask OpenClaw to use a sub-agent. Now, these sub-agents can do research. They can do equations, calculations. They can do posting. So for example, if you create something and then you have a agent that does a different task. So as you can see, here's the Chinese translation Bobby provided. So as you can see, the story was written and it was translated by Bobby into Chinese. So now you just know how to create sub-agents inside Bobby, which is absolutely amazing. So follow us to learn more about OpenClaw. And if you don't know how to get this or install it, you can find it in our link in our bio or comment link, and I'll send you the link how to install this. We have an amazing installer which makes it one-click install. So keep that in mind. See you in the next video.